seem like my kid for kid. And Colin Kincaid from the 12th grade, guess you could say he was my best friend. Lived in a big tall house out on Westfall, where we would hide when the rain rolled in. Where we would hide when the rain rolled in. We went out one night and took a flashlight out with these two girls calling new from Kenwood Christian. One was named Lori, that's what the story said. Next week in the Guardian, said next week in the Guardian. And when I killed her, it was so easy. pick up your feet and let's go.